Hola gente, todos estamos aquí para el canal, esta vez de Sonic the Hedgehog 2, llamado Sonic. Bien chicos, aquí estamos con Sonic the Hedgehog.
You never grab too many rings.
Ya no jugamos mucho.
I love rings. Bounce pad. It's like they're drawn to me. You never grab too many rings. It's like they're drawn to me. You never grab too many rings. Choose a bounce pad. It's like they're made for me. One more ring to rule them all. It's like they're made for me. Spin dash time. It's like they're drawn to me.
Uy, no. No puede ser, no agarré el anillo. Ok, le vamos a darle una vez. Empecemos con el acto 2. Rayos. Ah, pensé que se quedó.
It's like they're made for me. Stop, drop, and roll. It's like they're made for me. I love rings.
No me digas que no.
Yeah, love it.
No manches, Sonic, pero les pintas bien el podio.
I love rings. Yeah, love it.
Ay, no, ¿qué hice? Con eso se quita. ¿Qué pasó? No. Chicos, creo que traigo el juego. Mañana. Creo que está en pausa.
It's like they're drawn to me.
Ay, no manches, pero esta es la parte más difícil.
Spin dash time. Rings. You never grab too many rings. I love rings. One more ring to rule them all. Just for me. It's like they're drawn to me. You never grab too. Good night.
Bueno, para mí también. Realmente es demasiado fácil, pero yo pues no.
Rings.
Ven que nunca paramos de
It's like they're made for me. Yeah, love it. Rings.
O sea, no poner feo así, sino que poner feo. Me refiero a que se va a poner más difícil después de Sonic.
Rings.
Ay, caramba.
Hey, look at all these rings. It's like they're made for me.
Sí. Bueno, pero por lo menos no me morí. Ahí está.
You never grab too many rings.
No me da cuánto tiempo llevo.
It's like they're drawn to
¡Ay, no!
Let's do it.
Ay, no puede ser.
You never grab too many rings. One more ring to rule them all.
Eso depende del puntaje de ellos. ¿Qué es un
I love rings. One more ring to rule them all. Hey, look at all these rings.
¿Por qué te soltabas?
It's like they're made for me.
Ay, vamos, Uni. Ay, creo que este es el...
You never
Ahí
grab
está.
too many rings.
Uy, cuidado.
I love rings.
Ay, cuidado. Ajá.
One more ring to rule them all.
Ay, no, es que por los controles
Rings.
que
You never grab too many rings.
estuvo. No manches.
Hey, look at all these
No.
good knives.
Ay, pucha, no. No. No, es que está bien difícil.
Being a role model is overrated.
A ver, ya sabemos de eso.
What do we have here?
Green Hill.
Yeah, love it. Here's a bounce pad. Rings.
Esto no sé yo.
Yeah, spin dash. Yeah, love it.
Pero cuando quiero hacer el spin dash, no lo hace. Solo se agacha y salta.
I love
Cuando
rings.
quiero dar a otro, cuando quiero dar a otro, solo. Y cuando quiero dar a
Rings. You never grab too many rings. Here's a bounce pad. It's like they're made for me. It's like they're made for me. Hey, look at all these rings. The need for speed. It's like they're made for me. You never grab too many rings.
Ahora sí.
Born to do this.
Ahora sí. Ahora sí. Entiendo el post. Ay, puchica, como que no responden bien los controles. Algo. Ay, pero mira que este es el
It's like they're drawn to me.
sonido.
I love rings.
Y este cuesta más. A ver. A ver, salta, salta, santo Dios.
Hey, look at all these rings.
Uy, no.
One more ring
No
to
te
rule
caigas,
them all.
no te caes.
You never grab too many rings.
Le tengo que dar. Ay. A ver, ya casi. La agarro. Solo me meto aquí. Y ya.
We did it.
Ay, que. Pensé que se había acabado.
Okay, ready?
Green Hill Zone, Auto 2. No, pero la zona después se pone más difícil y ya no es ocasión.
That is cool. Yeah, love it.
No sé cómo me pasa el si salta. ¿Cuánto tiempo llevo grabando? Ahí estamos.
Love it.
Wow.
Hey, look at all these rings. I love rings.
No,
It's
cuidado.
like they're made for me. Rings. You never grab too many rings.
Pues espero que les esté gustando. Si quieren más romhack de Sonic,
One more ring to rule them all.
solo díganme en los comentarios. Y pues hasta luego.
The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it. It's scratching on the walls, in the closet, in the halls. It comes awake and I can't control it. Hiding under the bed, in my body, in my head. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make it end. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. My secret side I keep hid under lock and key. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. Cause if I let him out, tear me up, break me down. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make it end. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. It's hiding in the dark, its teeth are razor sharp. There's no escape for me, it wants my soul, it wants my heart. No one can hear me scream, maybe it's just a dream. Maybe it's inside of me. Stop this monster. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I'm gonna lose control, it's something radical. I must confess that I feel like a monster. 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 I feel like a monster.
Wanna play again?